we have verifiable evidence of terrorist funding by India. Now, some of that will be shared right now. Indian diplomats in Afghanistan, they have been regularly supervising various terrorist activities. In one such instance, Indian ambassador to Afghanistan and Indian consular in Jalalabad had detailed discussions with collaborators to provide financial support to Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan and dissident Baloch elements. RAW is financing its frontmen in third countries. They have made 2 transactions to one of the cutouts to promote terrorism in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Both transactions were made through Indian banks. $28,000 in this case were transferred by Punjab Bank in India. You can see the details on the screen. Another transaction of $55,851 was made by Mr. Manmeet, an Indian national, from an Indian bank in New Delhi and received by Afghanistan International Bank. On another occasion, RAW, while using Indian embassy in Afghanistan, held a number of meetings with TTP commanders. This letter, which is being shown on the screen, it is in Dari. It reflects that India paid $820,000 to TTP leadership through its collaborators. It led to the masterminds of APS attack. RAW had hired 3 facilitators for planning the attack on Agriculture University, including Malik Faridoon, who was also involved in planning of APS attack. Malik Faridoon, soon after the APS attack, went to the Indian consulate in Jalalabad to celebrate. He also visited India for medical treatment in 2017. There he remained admitted in Primus Hospital, his name in the patient list, pictures with hospital attendant, and RAW handler Amarjeet Singh validate his connections with RAW. The attackers of Agriculture University were in contact with various Afghan numbers during the attack and live streamed the videos to their handlers. Now, these videos were also uploaded from Afghan IP addresses. While meetings of Altaf Hussain Group with RAW's chief, Mr. Ajit Chaturvedi and Mr. Vikram Sood, were validated by Sarfraz Merchant as well as Muhammad Anwar in their statements. Some of the terrorist incidents, I'd like to give some specifics as we have the evidence now. And these investigations confirm RAW's direct involvement in these terrorist incidents. BLA and BLF, they launched attack at Pearl Continental Hotel in Gwadar on 11th of May 2019, in which 4 terrorists were killed, whereas 5 innocents were martyred. RAW officer Anurag Singh planned the attack, wherein $0.5 million were allocated by RAW for this attack. You can see some details flashed on the screen. I'll just explain them. Attacker Hamal Nawaz used an Afghan phone number and was in contact with an Indian phone number during the attack. Attack was masterminded by Dr. Allah Nazar and Aslam Achu. Both the individuals traveled to India on fake Afghan passports. Aslam Achu remained admitted in Indian hospital. You can see a picture of his in one of those hospitals, while he traveled under the cover name of Abdul Hamid. His passport, having double entry visa stamped in India, can also be seen in the picture. Dr. Allah Nazar also traveled to India on fake documents under the cover name of Haji Nabi. Dr. Allah Nazar is the main conduit between various BSNs and RAW handlers. 17 audio clips of his conversations with RAW handlers discussing future operations validate his undeniable connection with RAW.